In an age governed by process automation, remote access, and smart integration, the transition from traditional automation to fully connected flexible systems has become imperative in the current competitive business environment. The fourth industrial revolution marks the advent of Industry 4.0, popularly known as smart manufacturing. With its focus on interconnectivity of machines, automation, and real-time data analysis, it merges traditional physical operations with smart digital technologies to create a holistic ecosystem providing insights across systems and processes. Some of the benefits of Industry 4.0 include improving productivity and efficiency, providing flexibility and agility, reducing downtime, getting access to real-time information for better decision-making. Industry 4.0 isn't just about investing in new technology and tools to improve manufacturing efficiency. It's about revolutionizing the way your entire business operates and grows. At Softweb, we have introduced Smart Intelligent Manufacturing or SIM 4.0. SIM 4.0 introduces sensors across your factory to collect and analyze data. From digitization of vehicles entering the factory premises, intelligent raw jute moisture inspection, scanning of material at each production process to ensure quality and efficiency, to maintaining live inventory of finished products, the entire production process can become really efficient and smart. This data can be used by your operations manager to check the production line status and make changes in real time. The data seamlessly integrates with our cloud ERP system to enrich your dashboards with vital information, enabling you to eliminate waste, increase efficiency, reduce costs, and also allowing you to make complex decisions to take your business to the next level. SIM 4.0 is a fully integrated, collaborative manufacturing system that responds in real time to meet the changing demand and conditions in your factory. To know more, contact Softweb Technologies at bd@softweb.co.in.